Hi children, welcome you all grade 5 to the English class today. Children, in this video, I am not going to teach any lesson and I am not going to write any textbook. Then, what we are going to do in this video? Any guess? Any guess children? I'll tell you, in this video, we are going to learn reading and writing. How to read and how to write. Let's start. Children, as a motivation, let's watch the video about the importance of reading and writing.
A-T.
Kids learn to read and write best when they learn to read and write together. To read and write together.
I have been looking for you, Bunty, and you are sitting here alone. Oh, sorry, with your friend.
I know you're teasing me, but it's okay. It's just because you don't know the pleasure a book can give.
Hey, you promised to share more about the importance of reading. Tell me, I am waiting.
Reading is vital because it is how we discover new things. We live in an age where we overflow with information, and with reading, we can educate ourselves in any area of life we are interested in. Reading develops imagination. With reading, a person can go anywhere in the world or even out of it. Non-readers can never experience these joys.
Amazing, Bunty. What are the other benefits of reading?
You might be knowing that reading helps in building one's vocabulary. But do you know that through reading, you build a more solid foundation for communication? When you read, you understand more and thus you can communicate better with people. Whereas if you don't read, you can't connect with the world.
Now I can understand how important reading is.
Good, you understood that.
Dear parents, to improve our words, reading and writing skill, we have taken this effort. Please tell the children to take their book, make them to read along with me in the reading part, and tell them to take a notebook and make them to write along with me in a notebook just for handwriting. Put a note separately for handwriting, then insist them to write neatly by seeing the writing video. Parents, without your support, it's not possible. So kindly support us to improve our children's reading and writing skill. Children, shall we start? Take your textbook. Keep your fingers on the words. Read letter by letter and repeat along with me. Children, shall we start the reading part? Yes. So, take page number 18 in your English textbook. That is the reader book. Okay? So, page number 18. Take your textbook, children. Take page number 18. Please, dear parents, help your ward to take their textbook and ask them to read along with me. So, here, let's start reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Children, keep your fingers. Start reading along with me. So, what is the title of the lesson? Prose 2. R-I-K-K-I. Ricky. T-I-K-K-I. Tiki. A-N-D and N-A-G. Nag. Ricky, Tiki and Nag. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. What is this? Reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. Let's start reading the passage here. R-I-K-K-I. Rick. Key. R-I-K. Rick. Key. K-I. Key. T-I-K. Tick. Key. Tiki. Ricky. Tiki. And the next one, Tavi. T-A-V-I. Ta. T-A. Ta. V-I-V. Tavi. I-S. Is. I-S. Is. A short story. S-H-O-R-T, short story. S-T-O-R-Y, story, short story. In, I-N, in. S-H-O-R-T, what is that, children? Short. S-T-O-R-Y, story. I-N, in. T-H-E, what is that? The. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. In the jungle. J-U-N, jungle, G-L-E, gil, jungle. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. W-R-I-T-T-E-N, what is that? W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written. W-R-I-T-E, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Do you know that, children? So here the word with the letters W-R-I-T-T-E-N, what is that? Written, written. B-Y, by. Rudyard, R-U-D, rid. Y-A-R-D, rid, yard, yard. Rid, yard. Next one, K-I-P-L-I-N-G, Kipling. K-I-P, Kipling, L-I-N-G, ling, Kipling. So that's all from the first line. Let's read the second line now. R-I-K-I, R-I-K-K-I, what is that? Ricky, R-I-K-K-I, Ricky. T-I-K-K-I, Tiki, Ricky, Tiki. T-A-V-I, what is that? Tavi, Tavi. Was, W-A-S, was. A baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Mongoose, M-O-N, mongoose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Mongoose. W-H-O, who. W-A-S, was. W-H-O, who. W-A-S, was. W-A-S-H, what is this? W-A-S-H, wash. E-D, ed, washed. Away, 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 away. A is a. W-A-Y, way. So away. I-N, in. A, flood. F-L-O-O-D, flood. F-L-O-O-D, flood. He, he. W-A-S, was. T-A-K-E-N, taken. T-A-K-E-N, taken. Next one, I-N, in. B-Y, by. Teddy, T-E-D, Ted. Ted, D, D-Y-D. A-N-D, and. H-I-S, his. P-A, parents. R-E-N-T-S, rents. Parents. A, British. B-R-I, Bree. T-I-S-H, tish. British. Family. F-A, fa. Me, M-I, me. L-Y, lee. Family. R-E, re. S-I, C. Ding, D-I-N-G, ding. Residing. R-E-R, S-I-C, D-I-N-G, ding. Residing. I-N, in. I-N-D-A, D-I-A, India. I-N-D-I-A, in. I-N, in. D-I-A, dia. India. H-E, he. V-O-W-E-D. What is that? Vowed. V-O-W-E-D, vowed. T-O, to. S-A-V-E, what is that? S-A-V-E, save. H-I-S, his. Then, foster. F-O-S-T-E-R, foster. Family. F-A, family. F-A, fa, M-I-Me, L-Y-Ly. Foster, F-O-S, foster, T-E-R, ter. Family. From, F-R-O-M, F-R-O-M, from. Dangers, D-A-N-G-E-R-S, dangers. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. S-N-A-K-E, S. Snakes. What is this, children? Is it snacks? No, it's snakes. S-N-A-K-E-S. Snakes. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. K-R-A-I-T. Krait. So it's a name of a snake. Krait. K-R-A-I-T. Krait. Next one. Na. N-A. Na. G-I. Gay. G-I. Gay. N-A. Na. Na. Gay. Na. So what is this? This is also the name of the. This is also a name of a snake. Na. Gay. Na. And N-A-G. What is this? Nag. N-A-G. Nag. P-O-S-E-D. What is that? Posed. P-O-S-E-D. Posed. Then let's. L-E-T-S. Let's. R-E-A-D. Read. L-E-T apostrophe S. It is not S. It is apostrophe S. So let's. How to pronounce it? Let's. So what is the abbreviation for this let's? It is let us. Let us. So the short form of let us is let's. A-D. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. O-N. On. T-O. To. F-I-N-D. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. O-U-T. Out. O-U-T. Out. W-H-A-T. What is that? W-H-A-T. It's a familiar word. Everyone know that. What is the word, children? What. W-H-A-T. What. H-A-P-P-E-N-S. Happens. H-A-P. Do you know happy? So H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Okay. So here H-A-P-P. Hap. P-E-N-S. Pens. H-A-P. Hap. Pens. P-E-N-S. Pens. Yes, writing pen. H-A-P. Hap. P-E-N-S. Pens. Hap. Pens. Happens. 2. R-I-K-K-I. What is that? It's the title of the lesson also, no? Ricky. T-I-K-K-I. Ticky. I-N. In. T-H-I-S. This. F-I-N-A-L. Final. B-A. Fi. F-I. Null. N-A-L. Null. Then B-A-T-T-L-E. Bat. Till. Bat. Till. Then A-G-A-I-N-I-S-T. Against. So B-A-T. Bat. Bat. We know bat, no? B-A-T. Bat. Cricket bat. Yes. B-A-T. Bat. T-L-E. Till. Then A. We have to split A separately. Gainst. G-A-I-N-S-T. Gainst. Against. The. T-H-E. The. Mighty. M-I-G-H-T-Y. Mighty. N-A-G. Nag. That's all, children. We are concluding with this line. So, have you all read this passage along with me, children? Good. Very good. Keep doing. Definitely we can improve our reading and writing skill. So, follow this, children. Please, dear parents, ask your children to take the book. Ask them to read along with me. Definitely, they can improve their reading skill. Thank you. Children, shall we start writing now? Yes. Take your handwriting note. Watch carefully. Follow the same stroke. Write legibly and neatly with the letters. Try to bring the same stroke in your own handwriting. So, keep watching, children. Watch carefully. Children, write today's date, children, first. First, write the title. See how I am writing? In this, it's like the same way you should write. Write the title of the lesson, then See how I am writing. Write slowly kanne. And nag. So alright, first you have to write the date. I have written the date. Then you have to write the title, prose, prose, prose 2. Then write the title, Rikki, 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 Tikki, 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 and nag, nag. So see children how I have written. In the same way you should write with the joined letters and write neatly children. Now let's start writing the first paragraph of the lesson. See here children, first you have to write writing, W R I T I N G, writing. Okay, W R I T I N G, writing. Okay, let's start writing the first passage starting from here. See how I am writing R. See here, this is the capital letter R, R-I-K-K-I. Rikki. See here children, write the same in the same way with the joined letters. Then Tikki, T-I-K-K-I, Tikki. Rikki Tikki. Tavi, T-A-V-I, Tavi. For your reference, I'll tell the page number. So this story there in your page number 18. So if you want, you can take the textbook also. Take the textbook, page number 18 in your textbook. Okay children, let's continue writing this. So R-I-K-K-I, Rikki, T-I-K-K-I, Tikki, T-A-V-I, Tavi, Rikki, Tikki and Tavi. So I-S, is. See here children, the stroke, how I have written, the same way we should write. See the next line children, is a. See the stroke children, how I have started. In the same way you should start writing A. Then short story, Rikki Tikki Tavi is a short story. S H O R T, short story. Yes, see the S how I am writing children, like in the same way you should write with the stroke. S-T-O-R-Y, story. So it's a short story. S-H-O-R-T, short. S-T-O-R-Y, story. In the. See here children how I am writing the jungle. J. See children how I am writing J. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. Next one, B. See here, this is the capital B children. Like the same way you should write B O O K. Book. The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. Written. Next one. Written. W R I T T E N. Written. Written. W R I T T E N. Written. Written by. See here, by how I am writing. B. By. Rudyard. R U D Y A R D. Rudyard. Rudyard Kipling. K. See how I am starting the K. See here, children. So this is the way you have to write cursive K. K I P. See the P here. How I am writing? L I N G. Kipling. Rudyard Kipling. Then let's start the next line. Rikki Tikki Tavi. R. See the R. R I K K I. Rikki T I K K I. What is that, children? Yes, you are correct. It's Tavi. Rikki Tikki Tavi. T. What is the spelling for Tavi, children? Yes, T A V I. Tavi. Rikki Tikki Tavi. W. This is W. See here how I am writing A. Yes, was. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a. See here how I am just writing starting the A first with the stick, then with the oval, then we have to bring the curve down. Yes, a baby. B A B Y. Baby. Mongoose. M O N G O O S E. Mongoose. Baby mongoose. Who. See how I am starting W. Who. H. See the H carefully, children. O. Who. W H O. Who. Mongoose spelling B. Baby spelling B A B Y. Baby. M O N G O O S E. Mongoose. What is that? It's animal. Mongoose. Who was. W A S. Was. Who was washed away. W A S H E D. Washed away. A. How I am writing A, children? See? Yes. Then down. That's all. Okay. So washed away. A W A Y. Away. In a flood. F. See how I am writing F? Starting with this, bring it down, small twist, then L O O, then D. Flood. Okay, children? Keep following me. Write in the same way. Don't make any mistake. Try to bring my same handwriting in your notebook, children. H. See, I am writing H. He vowed. V-O-W-E-D. Oh, this is the third sentence we are writing, children, now. He, sorry, I missed was. W-A-S, was. So here I don't have place, children, space, so I am writing here, but you have to write inside the margin only. So write in here inside the margin, okay? So he was, vote, and, C-A-N-D, and, taken, T-A-K-E-N, see, T-A-K-E-N, taken, in, by, B. See here how I am writing B? Yes, in the same way, this like the same stroke you have to write. By, Teddy, T, T, E, D, D, Y, Teddy, and, his, H-I-S. So after completing the S, you have to just bring the line up. So then only it will become a cursive. Okay, it looks like a cursive. Then parents, P A R, sorry, P must be like this, P A P A P, see here, line, then like this, then A, P A R E N T S, parents. Okay, yes, comma here, next, and then a, see, a British, B or I T I S H, British, British, B R I T I S H, British. Family, see here F, I'll write it again. Yes, so family. Okay, M-I-L-Y. So F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Residing, R-E-S, ris, si, I, re, si, re, si, D-I-N-G, residing, 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 in, I-N, in, see how I am writing. Children, please don't confuse. There is a technique. This is T, this is I, and this is J. So you must be clear about these letters first. So this is T, cursive T, I, and this is at last it is a J. Okay, so I-N-D-I-A. What is this, children? I-N-D-I-A? India. Yes, very good. It is India. So that's all from today's writing class, children. So today we wrote a paragraph from prose 2. The title of the prose, Rikki Tikki and Nag. If you want, you can also take your textbook and just write the date first, write the title, underline it with this using scale pencil. Here I don't have scale pencil, so just I'm underlining it. Page number 18, writing. You have to write and you have to start writing the paragraph. R-I-K-K-I, Rikki. T-I-K-K-I, Tikki. Tavi, T-A-V-I, Tavi. I-S, is. Then a story, short, S-H-O-R-T, short. S-T-O-R-Y, story. I-N, in. The, T-H-E, the. Jungle, see J, how I have written, J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. B-O-O-K, book. W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written. B-Y, by. R-U-D, rid, yard. R-U-D, rid. R-U-D, rid, yard. Y-A-R-D, yard. Rid, yard. K-I-P-P, K-I-P-L-I-N-G, Kipling. K-I-P, Kip, L-I-N-G, Ling, Kipling. Then R-I-K-K-I, Rikki. R-I-K-K-I. So, Rick, key. You can split the word. So, R-I-K-K-I, Rick. K-I, key. T-I-K-K-I, Tavi. Tikki. T-I-K-K-I, Tikki. T-I-K, tick. Key, K-I-K, key. Ta, T-A, ta. V, V-I-V, Tavi. W-A-S, what is that, children? Yes, it's was. W-A-S, was. So the next one, a baby. A baby, B-A-B-Y. Baby, B-A, B-Y, B. M-O-N, mong. M-O-N, mong. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Mongoose. W-H-O, who. W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. Don't confuse with this W-H-O, who. H-O-W, what is H-O-W? What is H-O-W? Can just write like this. What is this? How. This is how. Okay. So, H-O-W, W-H-O, who. W-A-S, was. W-A-S-H-E-D, what is that? Washed. W-A-S-H, what is that? Wash. E-D, ed, washed. A, W-A-Y, away, a. A, so split this like this. A, way, W-A-Y, way, away. In, I-N, in. A, flood, F-O-L-O-O-D, flood. What is it? Flood. H-E, what is that word, children? Yes, very good. It's H-E, he. Then W-A-S, what is that? Was. V-O-W-E-D, what is that? Vowed. Vowed. A-N-D, and. T-A-K-E-N, taken. T-A-K-E-N, taken. I-N, in. B-Y, by. Teddy, T-E-D, Ted, Ted. T-E-D, Ted. D-Y-D, Teddy. A-N-D, and. H-I-S, his. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Split the word like this. Parents, R-E-N-T-S, rents, parents. Okay. British, B-R-I-T-I-S-H, British. B-R-I-T-I-S-H, British. So, how we have to write this? Read the spelling. Bree, B-R-I, Bree. T-I-S-H, Tish, Bree, Tish. B-R-I, bree. Tish, T-I-S-H, tish. Family, fa. Me, li. That's all. Fa, F-A, fa. M-I, me. L-Y, li. R-E, re. S-I-C, ding. Residing, re. R-E, re. S-I-C, ding. D-I-N-G, ding. I-N, in. I-N, in. I-N-D-I-A, India. So children, please read along with me this paragraph, and dear parents, kindly help the children to read along with me. Ask them to take a note, write the passage along with me, and ask them to read the passage along with me. This will help them to improve in their writing as well as reading skill. So as a new method we have started in our school, this way of teaching to improve your word, reading and writing skill. Please dear parents, we need your full cooperation. Help us to improve your word, reading and writing skill. Thank you. Children, with this, I'll wind up this session of reading and writing. I'll catch you with another video soon. Until then, bye.